Hi, hello guys, welcome back to HackIsOn tutorial. So in this tutorial we will be discussing about a new topic which is how to protect your Aadhaar data from getting hacked. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing about how to safeguard your biometric and iris data from hackers. Okay, so I'll provide this link in the description box. It is the official link of uidai, that is Aadhaar card managing service. So in this link you could see option called lock or unlock biometrics. Okay, so to enable this service you have to log into your your Aadhaar database. So type your Aadhaar number here and type the security code which you have seen in this box. So click on send OTP, and once you receive the OTP, enter the OTP here and log into your account. Okay, so once you log into your account it will look like this, you will get a message called your biometric is currently disabled. Okay, so my biometric lock is currently disabled, so I am going to enable it. Okay, so here I could see the security code. I am going to type my security code and click on enable. Okay, so now my biometrics is locked. Okay, so you will not be able to authenticate by using your fingerprint or iris. You can unlock your biometric temporarily by any authentication requirements. You can also disable the locked biometric, but before you will be required to log in using your Aadhaar. Okay, so that means you can unlock your biometric, this lock, at any time, but you have to log in again, and you have to disable it. Okay, so the same process, whereas in the place of enable button you will be seeing disable button. Okay, so other than that the process are same. So I think this video will be helpful to protect your Aadhaar data from being hacked. Okay, so use this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe. If you are a new viewer to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you have any doubts regarding this channel, this video, or if you have any suggestions for me or for my channel, please mention in the comment box. We are always welcoming the comments. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, keep supporting us.